Hello ladies and gentlemen, once again welcome back. I am your host Kasim and you watching my YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, I am back with a bold new approach token. It's called Drift token. So without wasting any time, let's start the review. Before starting the review, see a small disclaimer, this is not an investment advice. I'm not here for financial advisor. So make sure to do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible any profit and losses. So you can check it out. I'm here on the website homepage. First of all, you can see Drift token and eWeb3 project like not other a token, a cross-chain game for competitive gamers, a platform for influencers to earn a new approach to token economics. I already made on this project one video and this is our second review. You can check it out. A token built differently, utilize Ambassador Connect wallet. If I scroll down, you can check it out. A ready to play game. Payouts, a groundbreaking Web3 skill-based racing game that play in browser. The V1 beta version is ready to play and required download and no wallet connection. V2 will be see Web3 integration along the racer. It's a racing platform game. You can check it out. Their Drift token final total raised almost 1 million plus. Last pre-sale lap is at $307. Launch price is $0.3087. Pre-sale concealed. Pre-sale is closed. You can check it out. Buy on pre-sale and their stake your claim with 120% API claim, a dynamic sale fee. And guys, this is already listed on CoinStory. I also show you everything. You can check it out. Their leaderboard. A strong team, 15 years experience, combined Web3 experience to $50 million is it's very huge. 800 million valuation for project. Team has worked for their team is also provided. Johnson Chan, Paul de Havilland, Michael Davenant and Sophie Henry. So it's a roadmap pre-sale checklist. First of all, their website 2.0 live, V1 game playable. First 10 global ambassador on board, organized Twitter AMA and their Telegram open pre-sale warm-up lab open $250 ambassador program explanation pre-sale warm-up. So it's they're providing very huge things. Pre-sale lab 1 complete and launch coming soon. You can check it out. Their token economics, token supply, election breakdown. Pre-sale 55%, it's very awesome. LP just 25%, reserved token 13%, burned just 5%, and their total ambassador is just 4%. Their tax breakdown, liquidity resolution 1%, just revenue share just 1%, game pool is just 3%, and total tax is 5%. So it's a very big and good opportunity for you, all of you guys, and you can check out their pre-sale use of funds. Their initiation LP 44%, marketing for influencer, and 28% for development. For development, they have a 17% listing and partnership with influencer. They are giving 11% token to the supply. So it's so very huge, and you can check it out. Their social, Telegram, Twitter, I also everything show you, and you can check out their Drift pre-sale address. And this is the Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, and Polygon ambassador privacy policy, risk-free, riskless Drift token logo provided. Now we talk about their social account, and then I show you other features. First of all, you can check it out their Drift token portal view in Telegram. They have almost 2,889 subscribers in Telegram portal. So this is the official white paper and Drift payout white paper from the rivers to riches. If I scroll on, you can check it out. Their total pages is at 13, and first of all, you will be see their abstract. The white paper outline deadline for multi-chain Drift racing game payout. It's a based crypto game FI, NFTs, NFT FI, DeFi, the metaverse token launched to the way bringing together collective experience. It's a all-in-one multi-chain project. You can use their Polygon, BNB Smart Chain, and Ethereum network, and their marketing analysis. So you can check it out their marketing analysis and everything right here with very detailed, and you can understand the whole project with very important details, and the game payout processed and their revenue entry fee, registration, game revenue 30%, winner pool 17%. So in Drift you will be checked out their other feature, Drift King top 30%, blockchain integration, and their all of features provided here. You can check it out their Ethereum, Polygon. These are Ethereum, Polygon, Zilla, Pulse Chain, Ambination, and many things more. So this is the total, and white paper, it's very long. I'm not showing you everything, but you can check it out, and you can check everything by yourself. So staking and reward and every token academics, everything provided here. Their token LP and total supply almost 10 billion. Buy sell transaction fees is just 5% the pre-sale, and you can check it out their pre-sale. And total raise use of fund, the roadmap, and roadmap is also provided. You can check it out the whole project, and their team and their disclaimer is also provided. So now we are going our review take on the review on the coin store. The 54th project on CoinStore Launchpad Startup Drift token Dollar Drift is now live. The IEO subscription will be start soon, so it's a very amazing, dear valued user, and you can check it out their CoinStore Launchpad group here. They learn more how to apply and launchpad startup date April 24 2024. So their full information: project name Drift token symbol studio token, total supply 10 billion, Intel supply 9490 million, and the total supply reached 6 lakh USDT. One Drift is 0.0008 USDT, and the complete KYC to 2500 subscription amount, and you'll be get a huge thing from there. You can do a trading maximum USDT and play to an all-in-one project. And reset activity, you can check it out their reset activity, and if I click on view detail, you can check it out their total raised Drift token subscription and date. And this is a very awesome project. If I go back on the website, you can check out their recent activity and everything provided here. Now we are going to talk about on the Twitter account. They have an official tick, and they have 6,000 plus follower on the Twitter account. Simply click on follow, and you can check it out their full information to how to go incredible start to Drift token IE on CoinStore within just 3 hours. And if I scroll down, you can check it out their white paper pre-sale, Drift pre-sale, Drift Labs, Drift X Labs, and their influencer partnership with very big influencers. And you can check it out their CoinStore listing and everything, every post provided here, the IDO and 1 billion token burned in TGE and everything provided here. This is the official Telegram portal. So I already told you everything about the project. If I missed anything, you can check it out by yourself. So simply click on utilize it, and you can also stake your Drift token, hodl, buy a stake for Ethereum, in-game perks and speculators revenue. And if I scroll down, marketing strategy built on a strong foundation building, and Ethereum return staking pool. It's a very amazing 2 and 6 months 10% starting guaranteed return. It's a 100x potential and original and potential project currently staked, starting revenue and at 24%, 79%, and simply click on stake Drift, and you can stake it very easily. So it's a very amazing method, and you can do the ambassador program, and you can check out the ambassador program, and you can also follow their play in browser. Simply click on play in browser. You can also play the game officially. Simply click on connect wallet. First of all, you can use the QR code, MetaMask, Phantom, Browse wallet, and all 390 plus wallets. You can use it very easily. So simply I'm choosing the MetaMask. First of all, you need to enter your MetaMask password as well, and you already know about it. MetaMask need password for logging and connecting your wallet in any website, but it's a risk-free website, and you can enter your password and simply click on unlock option. So it's very easy method. Now we are going to, I'm showing you some play to earn option, and I click on play in browser. Guys, video is already very long, and I'm not playing the game in this video. You can play it by yourself. Simply you need to click on back and simply click on play in browser, and after loading you will be played successfully. So the reason is why I'm not playing, because video is just going to be long, and I'm not want to long the video because you did not watch the complete video. You can play it by yourself. So it's a very amazing. If you want more part on this project, I also make more part about playing their upcoming feature, their everything upcoming. So I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, you can do a comment in our video. We'll definitely reply. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Good day.